Let's move to step 2, sewing the dog's body. Check the inside and outside of the fabric. The side where the embossing pattern is clearly visible is the surface of the fabric. Face the two pieces of the fabric together. The outsides of the fabrics should be faced each other. Make sure the fabrics match exactly at the V point. This is very important to make the doll pretty. Please overlap the two fabrics together. Fix the fabrics by pins. Draw a sewing line here. The stitch line is 8 centimeters away from the edge of the fabric. Check the paper instruction for sewing the start and end points. It starts right under the V point as shown figure 2B. The finish point is on the end of seam allowance. Start stitching at the bottom of the V as fig 2B. Apply back stitching along the sewing line. Secure a knot. Add one more knot. Unfold the front panel. Spread the seam allowance toward each side. You can iron if needed. The reason we give some seam allowance to each side is to avoid a bumpy-looking doll around the seam when it is finished.